Hey everybody, it's Roni here. Welcome back to episode 2 of Roni's room makeover. So as you saw in that first episode, I painted the walls and some of my furniture. So now I can finally start putting together more stuff and fixing other things, building more stuff, putting together some cool DIYs, and I really can't wait for you guys to see this. I'm actually pre-recording this, so a lot of the stuff you see, I already did. So I do hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoy the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, comment down below your favorite part, and yeah, let's get into the video. So continuing from episode 1, all of the walls are now dry, so I'm just piecing everything back together, putting the socket covers back on, peeling off all the tape, and touching up anywhere on my baseboards and ceiling that accidentally got my purple paint on them. Next, I'm putting back my massive bookshelves, and I'm just going to be dusting those and slowly putting everything back and just piecing it together like a puzzle. Next, I am moving on to my desk. So I take some of this white sticker paper, I don't remember the name, and I sand down my desk and I put that on top. Now I did not get video of that. That is on my TikTok at Artsy_Roni, but it just makes the desk look brand new. I absolutely love it. And just to spice things up a little bit, I'm taking some LED fairy lights I had gotten a long time ago on sale at Michael's, because these flash purple and orange. They were left over from Halloween, but I really wanted the purple, so I'm just finagling them and taping them underneath my desk so I can turn them on and have a really cool glow effect from there. So now, finishing up from the previous episode, I will be putting together the furniture I had just painted. So now that the drawers are dry, I will be putting them all together. I have the nightstand that you saw and this bigger dresser. So it's kind of like a little puzzle, trying to figure out what goes where. And that's how it looks. It just looks so nice with the purple. Next, I will be hanging up all my playbills across this string right above my window. Now this is a very easy little hack to do if you have things you want to hang up like tickets or photos, but you don't want to poke holes in them. Now for this part in my room, I have a lot of craft supplies, but not a lot of storage for those craft supplies. So I will be making a cubby. I've seen a lot on Instagram, a lot of different versions of it. I will be using 5 of these flat trays from Dollar Tree. And they do have rulers at Dollar Tree, but I didn't want to have to buy 6 rulers because then that's $6 plus the 5. So I got these bigger rulers that come in packs of 3 at Home Depot. They do also have just plain things of wood, which I saw after I bought these. So I will just be using 2 of these per side. and then gluing it together, or two of them per side, so it stands nicely, and just gluing those together. And if you do it the same way I do, with the same amount of boxes, you should have one ruler left over. So first I'll be taking my black acrylic paint that I got at Michael's. They do have this paint at Dollar Tree. And I will be painting my 5 little boxes, along with a few other wooden items I have that are just going to be for around my room, like the Dollar Tree crates. And I will also be painting 8 of the Home Depot rulers I got. And there are one of the crates that I will be painting. I have 3 of those that I'm using for desk storage because it just looks really cute. And when you paint it black, you still get like a little bit of that farmhouse feel, but with a more like modern-ish twist, if you get what I mean. So next, using flex glue, I measured out all of my 5 little compartments, and I will be gluing 2 rulers to each corner. So you'll have like 4 rulers on 2 sides. Hopefully that makes sense. But as you can see, I'm putting the flex glue on the edge of one side, and I am putting 1 ruler on the top and another on the bottom, and I will be putting some more flex glue on the middle to strengthen it more. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. So you have like 2 and 2, but since you're using 2 per thing, it's like 4 and 4. And once it dries, I will be touching it up because flex glue does leave that white residue. So I'll just be going over it with my black acrylic paint just to tidy it up. And you do have to let it dry overnight. The longer you let it dry, the better it is, especially with flex glue. But it is super strong after. Like, I can put all my craft supplies on it and just lift it up and it won't fall apart. And once it's done, I put all my craft supplies on it and wrapped some ivy I had around it just to give it a little more flair. And it looks super cute. I absolutely love how it came out, and I would totally want to make another one. So a lot today, I've just been slowly piecing together aspects of my room, and I'm still currently buying stuff and waiting on Amazon orders that will hopefully get here today. But so I just came back from Walmart and Five Below. So at Five Below, I got these LED curtain lights, which will go perfect with some fake ivy that I'm getting. And I got my black sheer curtains from Walmart for $4.97 each, so $5 each panel. So I got my curtains for $10, and I'll be hanging those up now. So to go with my curtains and my string lights, my Amazon order came in. So I only got 2 things. A lot of the stuff I'm getting is going to be from Target, which I'm still waiting for. But I had got a pack of 50-foot LED lights for my ceiling-ish, almost, and a 24-piece, like 150-foot pack of fake ivy. And so I got my Smart Reel LED lights. I got those off of Amazon for $17.99, so basically $18. And $18 for 50 feet is not bad, and they work pretty well. I set them up They look nice and they've been working well. And also, the 24 pack of ivy strips, I have that here too. The one I got, it was $16.99, but when I got it, it did smell like really bad. So I had to hang it up like in just an open room for a few days to let it air out. But as you guys can hear it's a little hard to untangle. But once you do, you have a nice, if I can get it to untangle, you have a nice piece of ivy. And that is just one piece, so it comes in a pack of 24 of those. So they are really like trendy lately, so I do recommend buying them because that is like a pretty good price. So I took both black curtain panels and I just hung those up pretty easily. And then using push pins, I hung up these LED curtain lights. I'm gonna put another one in the middle so it looks less like that, but you can also use like command hooks or nails. Then I'm taking my Amazon ivy and I'm stringing that through. You can string as many as you want. I think I only used 12, which is half of what comes in that huge pack. And it's pretty easy to string on, as you can see. This is just fast forwarded, I think ×2. So it honestly didn't take too long, and the outcome is so cute. I also hung up my LED lights. They are adhesive. I will link them in Amazon along with the ivy. And I also painted some cork and put that with the chalkboard squares on my wall. And then I decorated that with ivy, some photos, and used some Dollar Tree chalkboard pens to write down some quotes and write down my name. And honestly, it looks so cute. I absolutely love how this is all coming together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm absolutely loving how this room makeover is coming out. Everything just looks like perfect 100% according to plan and even better. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing because it does help out a lot. Make sure to check out all my social media down in the description. I will be posting some more updates on my TikTok at Artsy_Roni, which is also linked down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel, and don't forget to have fun crafting. And come back for part 3.